Hello kids! Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. Today we draw multicolor lipsticks.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Hickory, dickory, dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five, she went to her hive. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory, dickory, dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six, oh fiddle-six. Hickory, dickory, dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory, dickory, dock.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.